In this guide, I'm going to show you the very best performance setting here in Solo Leveling Arise Overdrive. This is super simple, so we're going to dive straight in this, but before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But right now, the game is PC only. It's going to be coming to consoles next year. If you are experiencing performing issues here on PC, here's how to fix it when it does release on consoles. Just expect that I'm going to have a video up on it, by the way, so just stay tuned for that. But go ahead and open up your menu and then go into your options and make sure frame rate is either set to 60 or unlimited. 30 FPS is just way too low. If your graphics quality is too high, what you're going to want to do is change this preset to low or very low, and you can also test normal if you do want to balance between visuals and performance. If you want to control it more specifically, what you can do is actually just manually adjust the texture quality, shadows, and effects, and other options. Adjusting these all to these lower or even these normal settings are going to make your game run a lot smoother while still letting you play comfortably. I obviously keep mine on very high because my PC can handle it, but you can customize yours to match whatever hardware you might have. But that is it. Now you're going to be ready for smooth gameplay here in Solo Leveling Arise Overdrive. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.